in addition to solving equivalent ratios, we can also solve them and graph them. So if you look at this first problem here, we're going to use that chart for this problem I'm going to do together for you for problem 1, and then you're going to do problem 2 on your own. It says, Ellen is shopping for supplies at Jake's party store. She wants to buy hats. How much will it cost her to buy 5, 10, 15, 20, or 20 hats? Create a ratio table and then create a graph to represent the equivalent ratios. So if we come up here to my chart, we are looking at hats. 5 hats cost $3. So it looks to me like my units are going to be hats and my units are going to be dollars. So hats, dollars. Let's go ahead and make a ratio table. It tells me 5 hats are going to cost $3. If I continue to repeat that pattern, 5 more hats makes 10. That would be another $3, so it's $6. If I get 5 more hats, that would be 15. Those 5 more hats are going to cost $3 more, so I'm up to $9. 5 more hats will give us 20, which are going to cost $3 more, 12. Finally, if I continue to keep going, I would get 25, 15, 30, $18. You get the idea. So there would be my ratio table. Now I need to go and I need to create a graph. So my graph, needs to have a title. Okay, so we might say something like the cost of hats. I need to put a label down here on my x-axis. So maybe we'll do the number of hats. And over here on the right-hand side, we'll put the cost in dollars. Okay, so looks to me like this is in units 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0 would start here. We'll make this 5. Make this 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, and over here on the side, we can count by 5, 10, 15, 20 as well. Okay, you're going to notice this is my x-axis. My x-axis represents hats. So this is like my x here. And then this is my y-axis, which represents the cost in dollars. So this will be my y variable. So these two numbers here make the coordinate over 5 up 3. These two here make the coordinate over 10 up 6. It's as simple as that. So for the first one, I'm going to go over the 5. I'm going to go up to 3. I'm going to follow them over and up. There's my first dot. I'm going to go to 10. And here's 6. Over and up. Follow them. See how I follow them there? So a friendly reminder for plotting points. Here would be my third ordered pair. 15 up to 9. 20, 10, 11, so 12 would be right here. 25 takes me to 15. And 30 takes me to 18. Now you're going to notice that this creates a straight line, which I'm not sure how to draw on here, so we're going to just do the best we can. So I'm going to start here. If I bought 0 hats, it's going to cost $0, right? So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do the best I can to draw a straight line, showing that every time I buy another 5 hats, I go up $3. Over 5 hats, up $3. So this is a constant slope. What that means is every time, here's my price, I always move over 5 and up 3. That shows me it's a ratio because it's a straight line. So what you're going to do is you are going to work on solving the rest of these problems. On the second page, you're going to use information from the chart on the first page to help Ellen's younger sister. She wants streamers. So you're going to make a chart, okay? And then you can answer question 3. Ellen has $10. Does she have enough money to buy 15 hats and 8 streamers? So you can look at your rate table, and you can also look at the charts to help you. Then here on the third page, the third problem, it says Ricardo bought 100 keychains for $15. Sam bought 200 for $28. How much would they each spend on 400? Okay, you are going to be plotting the equivalent ratios on the same graph. So what that means is you are going to actually be having 2 lines on this run. So you'll have a line for Ricardo, and you'll have a line for Sam, and you'll get to see which one, for $400, which one, how much would you spend on each, okay? When you're finished with this, you're also going to go to home links. You're going to try working on home links as well. You're going to fill in those 3 tables, and then on home links, you're going to have 3 lines to show each of those 3 pieces of data. Now, plotting these are not going to be something that's on our test, but it is something we're going to practice. We will come back to later in the year. So we're just exposing you to it this year, and you can work on those problems.